Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking you through my personal detox journey, covering the process I followed, the herbs and foods I used, and why each step was essential. Now I really hope sharing my experience helps guide you if you're considering a similar path, especially if you're dealing with digestion, immunity, or you just want to give your body a fresh start. I'll also be explaining the purpose of each phase, from parasite cleansing to liver support and gut healing. So back in October, I began a 30-day parasite cleanse. Now, this phase focused on clearing out any unwanted organisms in my system, because parasites can be a hidden source of digestive and health issues. So I used a combination of powerful anti-parasitic herbs, including black walnut hulls, wormwood cloves and neem, and I've got them right here. So this is the clove, and I use organic clove, black walnut hulls, wormwood and neem. And I use diatomaceous earth as a binder. Now, these herbs work really well together because they target parasites at different stages of their life cycle, and they help flush them from the body. And the reason why I took a longer, deeper parasite cleanse is because for some unknown reason, I was feeling sluggish and really lethargic. My energy levels were going. I was getting very sort of fuzzy in my thinking. I had brain fog. And I wondered what was really going on with my body. So in terms of the herbs I focused also on my diet more intensely, because during this time I really focused on a diet which was rich in fibre and plant-based foods like leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and I also had my berries, because I needed these foods to support and provide a range of nutrients. So supporting my body as it went through the detox was important. And it's important to mention that a plant-based diet is excellent in terms of complementing this kind of cleanse, because it's nutrient dense and it's easier on the digestive system. And if you didn't already know, parasites can also leach nutrients from the body. So I couldn't explain why I was feeling this way, but I felt a parasite cleanse would really help reset my body. So I just want to talk about gut microbiome support, because once the parasite cleanse was complete, my focus shifted to supporting and rebuilding my gut microbiome. Now, cleansing can impact both bad and good bacteria in the gut. So it's crucial to help the beneficial bacteria flourish again. And for this, I incorporated natural probiotics through fermented foods like sauerkraut, unsweetened coconut yogurt, which introduce healthy bacteria back into the system. And of course, you can even opt for using your probiotics in capsule form, which I've got right here. So I also included the prebiotic rich foods like onions and garlic to nourish and the good bacteria. And this step also included rebalancing the gut, as a healthy microbiome supports digestion, immunity, and even mood. So this phase was all about providing my gut with the environment it needs to thrive, which is especially beneficial following any cleanse. Now, next came the liver cleanse, and I've documented this all on my channel, and I've given beginner's guides and step-by-step as to what I was doing. But the liver cleanse came next because this I followed by my parasite cleanse, okay? So the initial parasite cleanse. and gut support. Now, the liver is the body's main detox organ. So this phase really helped ensure I was in top shape to handle the remaining toxins that were expelled from the Parasite cleanse. Now, for liver support, I turned to herbs like dandelion root, turmeric, and I've got them right here, the dandelion root and the herbs of turmeric as well, which is great for inflammation in the body. It's well studied. So look into turmeric because it can help with a range of things. And burdock root, because burdock root is great for cleansing the blood. And dandelion actually stimulates bile flow, which aids in flushing out toxins. Now, turmeric provides anti-inflammatory support and protects our liver cells, while burdock root helps purify the blood, as I mentioned. And again, I kept my diet plant-based, adding liver-supporting foods like beetroots, and I also had artichokes, which provide antioxidants, and they help with the liver function as well. Now, this phrase made sure that my body could process waste more efficiently, helping to keep me energized and well balanced. Now, I did a 7-day Parasite cleanse recently around the new moon. So this was focused on cleansing and targeting any remaining parasites. So I used the same anti-parasitic herbs as before: the black walnut hulls, the wormwood, the cloves, the diatomaceous earth, which was great for binding the toxins and helping to expel the parasites. So this is just the range of the organic and wildcrafted herbs that I had been using. And I'll go into explaining these in a little bit more detail in a moment. But if you want to find any of these wildcrafted organic herbs, go over to naturalworkshops.com, where you can source them at 50% off to get you started on your cleansing journey. So I also kept my meals light and high in fiber during my 7-day new moon Parasite cleanse. And I also have things like blended soups, steamed veggies and leafy greens, and these lighter meals gave my body the extra energy to use for the cleansing process, making it easier to flush out anything that may be lingering. So this mini cleanse was like a final sweep, ensuring my system was as clear as possible. But I want to share something with you and just take a moment to talk about the emotional and physical effects that can come with through a detox. Now, during my recent new moon cleanse, I noticed that I felt emotional, even tearful, and I experienced some constipation. And this can be a normal reaction during a deep cleanse as your body and mind release stored toxins. So your emotions can start to rise up, and it brings up old emotions, and you may start to wonder, well, why am I feeling this way? But as I mentioned, it's really natural for your body to have this reaction, because your body is releasing these stored toxins and the old emotions. So drinking plenty of water is key for when you're doing a detox. You want to flush out those toxins, and I tended to use lime or lemon and water every morning, and eating a fiber-rich diet using gut supportive herbs that help me manage these side effects. So to recap, my detox journey has been a structured process from parasite cleansing, liver support to gut healing. And the key is moving through each stage as you really go at your own pace, ensuring that each organ has the support it needs to work effectively. Now, this journey has really helped me feel lighter, more energized, and more balanced overall. And I've even had some weight loss in the process. So here are some of the other herbs that I was using, like marshmallow root, and that was good for soothing the gut and again helping with the ease of expelling the toxins by creating a sort of mucus around the intestine. And my pau d'arco, which is actually great as well for clearing infections, and it's a bark from the Amazon forest. And also I used the gotu kola, which is great for your cognitive health as well. And these herbs help to support you through the process and making sure that you're getting things like pumpkin seeds, which is good for expelling parasites as well, and all your leafy greens. So I kept my meals, very high fiber, gut supporting, and able to pass through my system easily, but also feeling satiated, because when you're taking these herbs, you're feeling minerally fed. It really feeds the cells. So you're not wanting to dive into getting those quick sugary snacks, high carb foods. And I found that I was actually craving sugar, which is really unusual because my diet is very low sugar. I don't eat any processed sugars, but yet I kept reaching for the agave and putting them into my teas, and I don't normally add sugar to my teas. So this really helped me to get over my sugar cravings as well. And your berries are so important. You want your antioxidants and your fiber in your berries too. And ginger creates a hostile environment for parasites, and it's anti-inflammatory too. So these really help to support my body throughout my cleanses. And if you want to know more about detoxing, please follow this channel, because you'll learn so much and you'll be able to do these detoxes safely, but you need to support your organs and understand the process in terms of pre-detox, during detox, and post-detox, so that you're doing this well, because not all of us have the organs that are strong enough to go through detox. So you need to understand what you need to do to support your body. So thank you so much for watching and joining me for today. And as I shared my detox journey with you, I just want you to also know that I have a Telegram group that people can join and ask questions, and we can have discussions as well. But if you're interested in trying any of these herbs, as I mentioned, you're welcome to go along and have a look at the range of organic and wildcrafted options that I have available at naturalworkshops.com. And as I mentioned, I'm giving 50% off to anyone who wants to start their detox journey. And for those interested in learning more about natural health and wellness, please do find out more about wellness and detox by joining our community on Telegram. I'll drop the links in the description below. And that concludes today's video, folks. So thank you for watching. Thank you for following my journey. I hope you've learned much. I'd love to hear more about what you're doing or considering for your well-being, and sharing your results as well. The ups and downs, because this is all about solutions. It's all about the reality of what goes on in a detox from my experience. So thank you again for watching. Please do like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with others. And also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the upcoming content on natural solutions for your well-being. So stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.